Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the third pair that we got from Nike. That is collaborate with the Lunar New Year shoes. So this one is the woman. So if you guys didn't see my unboxing for other previous Air Force One low top, and the other one's SF Air Force One high top. You can check on the link that's going to show on the toward the end of this video. So let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. So you guys are lucky. I just got this in today. I mean just now. The UPS just rang the bell and then draw off. So that's my invoice. So this one is the Air Force One for women, okay? And this is size 9. It's so crazy because the Air Force One, it comes with a big box for men, and then the Air Force One, the high top, comes with a big gigantic box, and somehow this one comes with the woman, it comes with the tiny box. So let me give you the 360 view of the box real quick, guys. So as you can see, and then that is the label. Established since 1982. The retail is $130. And then the box says made in Vietnam. Got that recycle. So let's get ahead and open. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the embroidery on this thing. Nice. Got your swoosh right there, embroidery. This is some nice embroidery stitching right there. Got the Nike Air. Nike, that's in Chinese character. So the lace on the tip of the lace is it's kind of like a yellowish orange color. I mean a red orange color. And I believe this is like a peach blossom flower. Got this shoes tree. Too bad on the outsole it did not have the design like the Air Force One high top. So exactly the same design, just a mirror. So size 9 is equivalent to 7.5 in men's. Probably not gonna fit me, but I'm gonna try and let you guys see. What? It fits me? No way. So I'm gonna let you guys see the on feed real quick, guys. Okay, since I put it on already. So yeah, it is so weird. Somehow it fit me. I can't believe it. Normally wear size 8.5 and 9, sometimes even 9.5. But somehow 7.5, it fits. Well, my toe is right here, so but it doesn't fit too tight. So I was kind of surprised. Normally I thought my toe was gonna crouch in like that, but anyway. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video, all right? And if you guys are new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification button. Please share this with your friend, family on social media, and just drop in your comments on below, all right? Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video, like always. Peace out, guys.